What is up, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Yeezy Slides in the Enflame colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Welcome to the channel. Also, hit that thumbs up at the end if you enjoy this video, as well as be sure to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out our membership tiers. We've got some great perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. So if you're looking to add some Shade Gang gear to your clothing collection, be sure to head on over there after this video is over. And for those of you who have not heard already, we are going to be giving a pair of Yeezy Slides away on the channel, so be sure to be following all of my social media platforms, The Hype Model and Marissa E. Hill, as well as this YouTube channel. Make sure that you're subscribed. All right, so today we are going to be talking about the Yeezy Slide Enflames. First, we're going to do the overview, then talk about size and fit, followed by how I styled these, and then we're going to jump and conclude into the resale price point on how these are doing. All right, let's hop on into this overview. So starting off with just this bright, vibrant color, let's just talk about this. I have not seen a bright color like this released in the slides as of yet. So as we're entering the summer, this is the perfect pop of color for the summertime. I mean, look at it. We've seen this colorway on so many Yeezys, from 500s to 700s. You've seen my bright blues. You've seen my Enflame videos. If you haven't, go back, check those out, as well as the Desert Sage. This is the same exact orange on the top of that Desert Sage shoe. So this is definitely a color that has been repetitive in the Yeezy collections. So I'm not surprised that we're actually seeing it for the first time on a slide. So as you guys can see, this is just our typical slide that we're used to seeing. There's nothing differentiating from this silhouette except for this pop of color. We've got that engraved Adidas logo there, and just some nice treading on the back so you don't kind of slip and fall. And this is just one of those squishy materials, let me tell you. I wasn't a fan at the start of the slides, but I am obsessed. These are some of the comfiest slides I've ever owned, and I'm going to be rocking these all summer long. All right, so now let's jump into size and fit. For those of you who are wondering, do these come in half sizes? They do not. So you're either gonna have to size up or size down. I'm just gonna give a little gist on my foot shape and size. If you want a more in-depth video on sizing for the slides, go back and check out my recent videos that I put up. But I would recommend, actually, for myself, I ended up sizing down. So I typically am an 8 in most of my Yeezys, some 7.5s, but my men's sizing is typically a 7.5. So I decided to go down, and the reason being that I literally have very narrow feet. So the top portion of this is way too big in a size 8 for me. This actually fits me quite snug and perfect. My feet don't hang over the rims, so I would recommend going half a size down as far as whether or not you should go up or down, and that's based on the fact that I have high arches and narrow feet. I think this may be different if you do have flat-footed, wider feet. All right, so now let's jump into styling. This is such a fun, vibrant color. My God, like, look how bright it is. So for the first look, I decided, of course, to kind of bring some Desert Sage vibes into it, starting with this turtleneck kind of shirt. And it's got the bright orange on the side with this nice kind of sage color scheme, which I think worked so well with the color scheme in this. I paired this with just some nice light denim. in a skinny jean version. So definitely a nice summery look.
Wake up, get out the sheets. We came from one man, forget that piece. Take the rest, I take out the piece. Put them in the cage, never let out the I hear them chatting and noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear them chat with the boys, man so tough, but man's keep rocking. Just too sharp with the boys, white girls better tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pine. If you wanna touch now, please use caution, 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 caution.
For the second look, I wanted to dress it up a little bit because I do think you can wear these with dresses. For that look, it was kind of a printed, all out there, vibrant dress with lots of different orange hues in there. So definitely pulling again from this bright, vibrant color scheme.
Stop it.
The last and final look, I decided to keep it super casual, some wide leg pants and a different kind of orange, a pastel orange. I think that you can wear these with lots of different types of orange color schemes. Pastel is one of those color schemes that I would think works great with this. I wore this with my CDG Stussy long sleeve shirt and it was just black and white. Obviously this is going to go great with blacks, grays, white color schemes, you name it. This is definitely going to be the statement piece in those looks though.
Jungle up in the trees. I got a few tricks up in the sleeve. One wrong move, I'ma let out the big shoes, check out the crease. Blow like I'm Bigfoot, step on the beat. Make a man's run time, step in the streets. When I hope they scream, gotta get out there. I hear them chat to the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear them chat with the boys, man so tough, but
you let me know out of those three looks, what was your favorite down below, or how would you style these slides?
Tonight, my darling, flow in the breeze with me for life, my darling. We can take it too far, keep it close. To me and you, let's make a toast and swing through the trees with me tonight, my darling. Flow in the breeze with me for life, my darling. We can take it too far, keep it close. And get a little bit of this jungle fever. Get a little bit of this jungle fever. Way too hot and you know I need you. To get a little bit of this jungle fever. Get a little bit of this jungle fever. Jamal and Bella, mix it around, get chocolate, vanilla, cookies and cream when we lock together. Yeah, ain't what it seems, cause to us it's better. Yeah, changing the genome, taint the bloodline with all of the niños. Your skin like sea foam, I'm more like khaki chinos. Pour a little milk in my cappuccino. Down roll myself into a hole with that one. Look.
And now let's conclude with how these shoes are currently doing on the resale market. So these sold for a whopping $60. I know, crazy price point. It is an insanely good price point for these, but they do always tend to have increases for the resellers out there. We're looking at between a $180 on the lower end to $300. We are getting into the summertime, or we are actually in it. So I see why the price is pretty steep on these, but not too crazy. And that is because everybody is looking to buy slides for the summertime. This is the shoe of the summer. I see so many people rocking slides when the heat starts to basically heat up here in New York City. So this is definitely a go-to color, I think, for those of you who are looking for a nice pop of shades to go with your new collection for your summer wardrobe. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you are new here today, thank you so much for joining us. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave me any comments or questions down below, hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out our membership tiers. We've got some great perks on there for our members, as well as an amazing merch store. So if you want to add some Shade Gang gear to your clothing collection, be sure to head on over to that site after this video is over. Also, be sure that you are subscribed and following all of my Instagram pages because we are giving away a pair of Yeezy slides. So definitely make sure you're following me on Marissa E. Hill, the hype model, and that you are subscribed to the ShadeTV channel. All right, everybody, that's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you on the next episode.